In this video, we're going to start looking at periodic phenomena. Now, periodic phenomena is anything that can be represented or a function that repeats itself over and over in a horizontal direction. So horizontal is our x. So something that looks like this is what we call periodic. Now, something that would look like this, periodic, because it repeats itself. It repeats itself. Also, something that might look like this would be considered periodic because it's repeating itself. It has a maximum and a minimum. When we look at a periodic phenomenon or function, we have to look out for certain things. We have our x-axis, our y-axis. Now, x is generally time, and we have our function that looks like that. We have to look for certain things. Here is our maximum. So that's our maximum point, is the top. This is our minimum point, the lowest part. Now, so if this was extended here, for example, and we went from here, it starts, so coming down below the x-axis, then goes up, and then gets to here again, there's our period. Okay, so one full revolution. Now our height, so from there to there, that's our amplitude. Okay, now this axis here, at the moment it's our x-axis. That's our principal axis here, because that's the point where comes up to, so it's coming up the minimum here and then coming down. All right, so the x-axis is acting as our principal axis. Okay, now our x-axis isn't always going to be our principal axis. It depends on the question. So you need to make sure when you're reading your questions in the future that you pay attention to these things.